Hey guys, it's Jenny Silver. California has another round of California Small Business Relief Grants opening up very soon. Now, the most recent revision of the California state budget included in it additional funds to be allocated to the California Small Business Relief Grant Program, which is also known as the Lendistry Grant. Now, the size of the grants ranges between $5,000 up to $25,000, depending on your business's annual revenue. Keep in mind that this is revenue amounts, which means the amount of money that your business takes in. So if your eligible business takes in between $1,000 and $100,000 per year, then you would be eligible for a $5,000 grant. Greater than $100,000 up to $1 million worth of revenue, you would be eligible for a $15,000 grant, and greater than $1 million up to $2.5 million, you would be eligible for a $25,000 grant. Now, this is a grant. This is not a loan, so the money is yours to use for the qualified business uses. In order to be eligible, you must be a small business owner, a sole proprietor, independent contractor, 1099 worker, and or registered for-profit business entity. You must have a yearly gross revenue between $1,000 at a minimum and $2.5 million at a maximum. Businesses must be impacted by health and safety restrictions due to the pandemic, such as business interruptions or closures incurred as a result of the pandemic. Businesses must be able to provide organizing documents, including 2019 federal tax returns, copy of official filing with the Secretary of State, if applicable, business license, certificate of organization, fictitious name registration, etc. You must be able to provide an acceptable form of government-issued photo ID, and applicants with multiple business entities are not eligible for multiple grants and are only allowed to apply once using their eligible small business with the highest revenue. Now, these are not awarded on a first-come, first-served basis. It's stated here that Lendistry analyzes based on greatest need, on location, and also based on industry. The next opportunity to apply for this grant is going to begin on Thursday, September 9th, and continue through Thursday, September 30th. Keep in mind, it's not a first-come, first-served basis for applicants, so you can get in your application at any point in time, September 9th through the 30th, for consideration in this round. If you already previously submitted an application, then you do not need to resubmit it again. Yours is automatically moved on for further consideration in this round. In order to apply, they state that you will need an application certification, which is available on this website. You will need your business financial information, which is going to include your federal tax return filed in 2019, and you will need to have a copy of official filing with the California Secretary of State, or something such as a fictitious business name registration, government-issued business license, or other government-related document. Additionally, you will need a government-issued photo ID. Now, for those of you who are wondering, has anyone actually been awarded and paid out these grants? The answer is yes. Myself, as well as many of my subscribers, have received these grants previously. I personally received one quite a while back, and many others as well. So you're going to click the link in the video description down below, and you may apply during the window of September 9th through September 30th. Okay, you guys, I hope that was helpful. Please click like, subscribe, and leave me a comment down below.